Hello, my friends. Welcome back to my channel. My name is Tina. I hope everybody's having a great Monday, and I hope you had a great weekend. It was a busy one for us. We did have the fallen officer's funeral on Saturday, so just busy. All right, I got some things on the auction, so I'm going to show you. We'll start with this little one. Please like, share, and subscribe, and welcome to all my new subscribers. We are getting close to that 500 mark, y'all. Please leave me a comment. It helps my channel. This is a little snack size. It is poured glue, so we can roll it backwards. I hope y'all can see, because I'm out in the sun and I can't see my phone. I can't see the screen. You know, same old, same old. All right. 15 colors, 20 by 30, random uppercase alphabets. I hope you can see it, because I cannot see. There's the thumbnail and the drill field. Very clear. Standard boat plate and wax pen. And the colors. All right. And this one. Y'all, it's already hot here. Oof. All right, y'all. It's a 40 by 40. 30 colors. 1's a 1, 2's a 2, all the way to 9's a 9. And 10 through 30 is random uppercase alphabets. I hope you can see. Lord have mercy, I can't see nothing but a reflection. I hope you can see. If not, I'm so sorry. Drill field. Very clear. It says, believe in the magic. It is a Christmas snowman. Hopefully you can see it. There's the thumbnail. Pretty, pretty, pretty. He's on a wreath. All right. He has standard toolkit with 2 plates of wax, a squishy pen with a 3 placer and some baggies. So it's a little bougie kit. And the colors. I hope y'all can see those. I'm so sorry, y'all. I hope you can see them. All right, this next one, it came in this box, and it is called Beach Cabana. And I think it came from Walmart. The lady told me that she did start one, which I'm fine. I don't mind finishing it. All right. There's the key. And that's what they're going to look like. 3 panels. She's got them in a Ziploc bag. You got some rhinestones and all kind of colors in there. And here's the one she started. You can see them pretty rhinestones. Here's another panel. God, I hope y'all can see this. Durafilled. This is the cabana part, I'm thinking. I hope you can see it. Turn it that way, maybe. And here's the third panel. Here, drill filled. Hopefully y'all can see that. I have a bad glare, so. But let's see. How are these going to go? Let's see. Who's going to go like this? So that's how it would look hanging on your wall. Like this. Sorry. There we go. That's how it would look. Very pretty. I hope you can see it. But all right, my friends, that's what I have for you. Short and sweet today. Please like, share, and subscribe. It helps my channel. We're getting close to 500, and if you're subscribed, I will do a blessing box or a $25 Amazon gift card. We will have a drawing when we reach 500. So please like, share, and subscribe. It's helping. Leave me some comments. Let me know your thoughts. And I hope you all have a blessed day. Stay warm or cool. Stay hydrated. Say your prayers. He's listening. And I will talk to you guys tomorrow. All right, my friends. I love you. Talk to you soon. Bye-bye.